Hello friendos, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this holiday look that you see here. Now normally my eyeshadow looks take about 10 minutes to do on average, but this one is a full glam 40 minutes of work, at least for me, because you guys know I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm just a weirdo that enjoys playing in the makeup that she collects. I don't know why I spoke about myself in third person, but that's what's going on today. It's probably from the lack of sleep. But yeah, we'll be doing this bold look. It is probably the most editorial look that I've ever done on my channel. And this is most likely what I will be wearing on Christmas Day. So if you are interested in seeing how I created this look, or you are just hoping that I will entertain you for the next 10 or so minutes, you're in luck, just keep watching. So friendos, the palettes that we'll be using today is the Sprinkle Little Magic from ColourPop, the Subversive palette from Pat McGrath Labs, and the original Subliminal Mothership palette from Pat McGrath Labs, and lastly, the Orgy palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. Friendos, how about all I want for Christmas is a tiny little bikini bottom to cover Jeffree's naked butt so I could stop seeing it every time I use this palette. Can someone make that happen? Please, for Jeffree's butt. I'm tired of seeing it. So on my units 203, we'll begin today with Sleep from the Sprinkle a Little Magic palette. It's kind of fun that we're combining all these palettes together. They each vary greatly in price, but not in quality. Now on my Refer 14, I'm going in with I'm Close, this deep chocolatey brown shade, and the Orgy palette. Friendos, the most time-consuming part of this look, it's not hard, it's just time-consuming. It's going to be building up the green and then going back in with that dark chocolatey brown shade. Probably do like 2 or 3 rounds of that, so I'm going to get on that and then we'll move on to different parts of the look. I'm now going to go back in with the P. Louise base and I'm going to do some serious carving. Like I'm about to carve my eyelids like a pumpkin. Okay, that was a little bit dramatic, but you guys know what I mean. And I'm making sure to go above my crease, because today's look is going to be pure drama. And I'm not too concerned about what's going on over here because all that's going to get covered up in a minute. Now it's time for this antique gold in the Subversive palette. Now, if you don't have these expensive as crap palettes, don't sweat. There are plenty of nice antique golds. I just had these on hand, so that's what I'm reaching for. That and I spent a lot of money on them, so I want to use them. But yeah, the palettes that come to mind that have a nice antique gold are Alien by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. There's also a nice one in the Friendcation palette. And that's the Dose of Colors that they did in collaboration with Desi and Katie. Let's go ahead and spray this. And I'm going on the outer edge here. Now on my Refer 03, we're going to go in with this nice pale gold shade from the original Subliminal palette. I'm going to be spraying it as well. Now for the tricky part, the winged liner. I want this wing to be thick and bold. Now on my NJC E10, I'll be going in with the Antique Gold shade one more time, and that'll be on my lower lash line. Friendos, I shall line and lash, do the other eye, and be right back. And friendos, I am back. Let's get on some lips. Let's start with the shade Cinnamon. This is in Milk Cosmetics' newest Perfectionist lip pencil. Then I'm going to go in with Smashbox Always On Metallic Matte Rouge A. And this is in the shade Rust Fund. How cute. So original. Now, most of you know I am not one on the regular to do a blinding highlight, but I feel like a look this bold calls for it. So I'm going to reach into my Natasha Denona Glam face palette and use the highlight in there. I also feel like I want to deepen up my contour a bit, so I'm going to reach into my Hourglass Edit Unlocked palette. Get some of that bronzer out of there. And now, esteemed friendos, what do we think of this look? Is this look making us think jolly thoughts? Are we ready for the holiday cheer? I'm just going to tell you guys the truth. I'm ready for Christmas to be over. Not that I hate Christmas or anything, but right after it is my sister's birthday, and then we get to have some real fun. And I guess I'll call it here for today. Thank you guys so much for spending your time here with me and Jeffrey's naked butt. I know there's 1,000 other things that you could be doing, especially in this busy time of year. So thank you so much for choosing to spend your time with me. It really does mean a lot. I really hope to see you all very soon in an upcoming video, and there's a way that we can make that happen. So if you haven't subscribed already, it's time to do so. Otherwise, we'll both have to live in the shadow of never knowing what could have been. All right, guys, have a good one. Bye. Peace, peace, peace.